Yeah, this house is located on the southern end of Old Del Mar, and the beauty of that is that it's much more private and secluded. It's a little under 15,000 square foot lot that has all this lush, mature landscape, and so you really feel the privacy from the trees, yet you get plenty of natural light, you get the big ocean views.
Privacy, immaculate craftsmanship, and beautiful views of the Pacific Ocean. This luxurious home offers all this and more. Welcome to 144 Ocean View in Del Mar.
From the street, it's hidden because of the mature landscape, and so you don't really know what exists. It's sort of a hidden gem. This house was purchased back in '04 by one of the leading luxury home builders in San Diego as their primary house. And so his attention to detail and quality and luxury are seen throughout the house. Everything just sort of blends in with the land. When you get inside the house, you've got the beautiful redwood siding that's been all redone and refurbished. You've got a front deck going off of the main living room and the master bedroom, which just looks west to the beautiful Pacific views. And then off of the back kitchen and living room, you've got an expansive patio that elevates up to a jacuzzi. So this homeowner took the property down to the studs. He actually took the redwood siding off of the house, and he appreciated the quality of the material, so he refurbished that hardwood, put it back up. He also did all the plumbing, all the electrical, all the lighting, all the bathrooms have been rebuilt. So the house is a new house. They use top-of-the-line fixtures. The flooring in the bathroom is heated flooring. It's really turnkey. You don't need to do anything to the house, but you have the ability to expand if you want. Exquisite detail and craftsmanship and quality of materials and location. This house wraps that all up, and if you're looking for a turnkey, high quality, great location home in Old Del Mar with beautiful views, this is the house.
To find out more information about this property, please contact Brett Combs directly at 858-583-4714 or Brett at psplatinum.com.